Hello YouTube, today's tutorial is on the easiest way to resize an image on a Mac. So first of all, you have to choose the image that you would like to resize and open it with the application called Preview. Move it a bit here, and next you'll go to the tab and go to the Tools section and to the Adjust Size section. Now I'll explain a bit on how it works here, the width and the height. So if the lock key is on, it means that the ratio of the image will be maintained. So once you change the width, the height will change accordingly to the original ratio of the image. I'll show you how. So if I change the width to 500, and the height will be also changed automatically to the original size of the image. Now if you want to adjust the width and the height individually, how do you do it? You just simply press on the lock key button to make it unlock, and now you can adjust the height and the width of it individually. And once you're done with it, you click OK, and now it's the dimension that you entered. Now in case of anything goes wrong, you can always press Command Z in order to go back with the original image and start editing again.